Welcome back to another crypto video. What's up, YouTube family? I hope you're doing awesome today. Thank you for jumping back into another video. Today we're going to check out Reef Finance because I'm seeing something quite interesting as well on this particular chart. And really it's corrected quite hard, but it's one of our low cap gems in the decentralized finance ecosystems, and I think it's got some big upside potential at this particular level, but I'm not going to do anything until I see at least some of these key areas broken. Refinance is one that was very, very strong when it was young. As you can see here, it kicked off massively. The gains were absolutely phenomenal, but then we've seen a massive correction since. But we'll look at that in a bit. So Refinance, guys, is an ecosystem for decentralized finance over here, and you can see they're still pretty active. And they've got lots of partnerships, which is pretty cool to see as well. Lots of partnerships. They do a lot of marketing, a lot of public relations. As you can see over here, they have giveaways. They're also hosting actual real events as well, Reef D5 and Ethereum Denver. So they're also collaborating with other like blockchain ecosystems too. Smart contract blockchain for EVM, dApps, developers, etc., etc. So the ecosystem is extensible, efficient, fast. It's another infrastructure type of project. So yeah, let's quickly have a look, shall we? Because I think this is one that sort of speaks for itself in the sense of what's happened when you can see. So we're trading at $0.012 at the moment, ranked 271, 224 million market cap. So this is something, should it ever kick off in the future, it's easy to get that 1000% gain or 500%, because the market cap would only need to do a 10 times to 2.2 billion for the price effectively to increase up into over $1. So yeah, let's have a little look. On the 30 days we're down 13.6%, but you can see on the 2 weeks we're up 20% already. So we're getting quite a bullish bounce, and perhaps a trend reversal is about to also kick in. So yeah, let's do it. Before we do hop in, massive thank you to the 5 patrons. Huge thanks to Desney from Australia, who just recently became a patron. If you do want to become a patron, price of a coffee, you'll receive my ebook, and also hop into the Discord down below as well. You can get premium one-on-one messaging with that patronage too. So do all those things, make sure you subscribe, and let's have a little look at what's going on with Beefy Reefy. So what happened is we had that massive alt season back between February 22 and also May 21. And I think a lot of this euphoria and greed was also sort of sparked from the stimulus checks that everyone was getting, the free money. Nobody had nothing to do. Everyone was just chucking money into crypto. So we had this massive correction, corrected all the way below that 0.786 Fibonacci. Then we got another impulse when we were oversold on the RSI, 200%, corrected once again. And now on the daily time frame, we're back oversold where we were. And it looks like we formed a huge head and shoulders for months. We retested this support level time and time again over at 0.016. So this is a key resistance level now, like an absolute massive level of resistance. And yeah, unfortunately we lost that support and we came all the way down to 0.009. And now it looks like we're also forming something quite similar, but a potential reversal, a bullish reversal that could take us back up to 0.016 here with this left shoulder, this head, and this right shoulder. The technical price target here would be about 30%, so it would take us back through this resistance threshold to around that 0.017 mark, and I think it's quite possible. One thing I have noticed is we don't have any bearish divergence, which looks good. You can see the price is becoming lower and that RSI is coming up. So that actually shows us here there is a bullish divergence. So it looks good. People are buying, accumulating. We're not really getting as much volume as we'd like to hope for, guys, but I think nonetheless it's a possible scenario where we could break to the upside here. Of course, we can also crumble back down. We can come back down to this 0.0095 level, so watch out for that too with Reef Finance. But I think it does look overall like quite a bullish setup, and I think my price prediction is that we do retest the 0.016 level here for Reef Finance. This was distribution phase, this is the supply phase, and any sort of accumulation within this rectangle usually proves to provide a good return. Now hopefully we do bounce to the upside and retest at 0.016, and I really do hope that will happen with this one, guys. So yeah, just look out for those kind of levels on the hourly time frame. We can see that we're just putting through higher lows at the moment. We had these big bloodbath of red candles, consolidated sideways. We're back over that 20-day moving average, and we're you know, chasing this 0.012 area where hopefully we can break out to the upside soon. Yeah, this is the right shoulder that I'm seeing, and I think it's just really setting up for a bullish momentum, because here we were retesting the support over and over. Now we're retesting the resistance over and over. So get ready for a pump, most likely with Reef, but also anticipate that if we get rejected here, we can still come back down to the 0.009 level. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and hop into that Discord, and I shall see you there, guys. Thank you so much for the support. Leave a comment, and yeah, take it easy. Have a good day.